guys, if you are new here, welcome to the channel, and to my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back to you. Thank you so much for traveling this journey with me. So guys, can you take a guess what's about to go down here and now? From the look of my ingredients lying here. All right, if you can guess, let me know in the comments. Okay, so yeah, you guessed it. So I'll be doing a potato pudding. Yay! Do you love potato pudding as much as I do? I hope you do, because you'll be in for a treat. Okay, and guess what now guys, I just realized I don't have all my ingredients, but I have the main ones though. I have my star for the show, my sweet potato. Yes, yeah, big and nice. Yeah, and guys, I have said it before, I don't follow measurements, period, when I'm doing sweet potato pudding, right? So I'm just gonna go with the flow and yeah, just use my judgment, or as we would say, eyeball it. Yes. So I have my sweet potato. I have a piece of yam because I like to put a piece of yam in there. That's yellow yam for those who don't know. This is a cocoa or Melania. I think the Mexican term for it is Melania. I have a coconut, which I'm gonna have to break and blend and get the juice from it. So it's a process, guys. I have my all-purpose flour. I'll be using some all-purpose flour. Over here now is some, look, can you see what type of sugar that is? Coconut sugar. However, I will be using regular sugar, regular dark sugar also, right? So I'm going to separate my mixture and do some with for a test. I'm going to do some with the coconut sugar and some with the regular dark cane sugar, right? I have molasses because I like to put molasses in my pudding. It gives it an extra nice flavor, you know. It just helps to enhance that flavor. I have some almond right here, almond extract or flavor. That's flavor, you know. I didn't even realize this was an artificially flavored one. I thought this was the extract, but anyway. And I have vanilla and a nutmeg right here. I have my salt and whatever else. I put margarine in there, which is I'm gonna be using the non-dairy margarine. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go off camera and prep my ingredients, and I will get back to you when I'm mixing. All right, I'll catch you soon. So guys, there is my one of the pudding. I greased my pan already and I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So this is a bigger one and the smaller one is right here. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. There you have it, my sweet potato puddings. They've been cooled. One is dropped out of the pan, as you will see. I don't have a cake stand, so I'm just improvising here. So, and as you notice, a slice is missing. So this is the morning after, because I baked the cake. I baked them last night. So yeah, there they are. And I'm happy. Yeah, they're not perfect, but it's good. It tastes good. I didn't get the custard on the top like I wanted to, but it's whatever. But the moisture, the texture is very good, and I'm gonna cut a slice and show you. Yeah. Let me just pay attention to what I'm doing. There it is. There you go. I put some raisins in it. Guys, honestly, there are a few things that I missed, but I will just put a recipe in the description box. Like I told you, I don't do it like that. I don't do like measurements generally when I'm baking my pudding, you know. But I will definitely link a recipe in the description box, so that you will, you know, you'll have that information available to you if you wanna, you know.